How to change the language in Crunchyroll. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language in your Crunchyroll app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the Crunchyroll app. And then once you're in the app, if you want to change this interface language, you have to go to your phone's settings and search for language. And then from here you can select the language you want, and if you want to change the subtitles language, go to your account. So to go to your account, tap on account in the bottom right corner here, and then here you will see subtitles and CC language. Tap on it, and from here you can select the language of subtitles. And if you want to change the language of this anime, you have to go to your browse and then tap on all, and from here tap on sort, and then tap on dub, and then tap on update filter, and this will show you all the anime that is dubbed in English. And so this is how you can change the language in Crunchyroll. Thanks for watching.